Did you know that a sneeze can travel as fast as 100 miles per hour? That's faster than most cars on the highway. Imagine you're driving at 100 miles per hour. That's how fast germs can spread with just one sneeze. But it's not just speed. A single sneeze can release up to 40,000 droplets into the air. These droplets can carry bacteria and viruses, reaching people and surfaces several feet away. Ever noticed how a sneeze can make people around you jump? It's because they know those droplets can spread germs. To protect yourself and others, always sneeze into your elbow or a tissue. Remember, a sneeze is powerful. Use it wisely.